Almond muffin tops or rustic cakes with a moist and tender crumb. Then adding a blood orange curd frosting makes them extra succulent and will remind us of a chocolate fruit tart. The best almond flavor comes from fresh almonds, so to make a pint or about 2 cups of chocolate almond milk, soak 70 grams or a half cup of almonds overnight. The next day rinse the nuts and blend with 375 grams fresh water, 10 grams cocoa, and 30 grams honey. Then strain through a nut milk bag. To make 6 almond muffin tops, prepare your pan with butter and a dusting of flour, and scale the wet and dry ingredients separately. For the dry, mix 115 grams flour, 80 grams sugar, 25 grams brown sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt. Leave in a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mix with a fork 100 grams chocolate almond milk, 25 grams almond oil with 2 eggs, and pour into the well. Then mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients until just combined, about 20 strokes, being careful not to overmix. Then refrigerate the batter for up to 2 days or portion into the prepared pan and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the almond muffin tops the same day they are baked as is or with a blood orange curd frosting, which is sweetened fruit juice thickened with egg. To make about a cup, place a mixing bowl on top of a pot of boiling water and whisk 100 grams blood orange juice with 2 grams blood orange zest, 60 grams sugar, and an egg for a few minutes until thick. Then whisk in 15 grams cold butter to combine and strain out the zest. Then refrigerate until cool. The curd will thicken as it cools to a spreadable consistency. Stored in the refrigerator, blood orange curd frosting will be at its best for 2 or 3 days.